Hey, Kyler,
What?
do you see what's over here?
What?
What's that? What is it?
Go there.
I don't think we can.
Why?
Just kidding. You wanna go check it out?
Yeah.
What are those?
I can't check those right now.
Yeah. Oh, wow, look at those.
Can I look at them?
Yeah, let's go check them out.
Whoa!
Ooh, look at these over here.
Take a picture of them.
You want to take a picture with them?
Yeah? Can I get inside?
Maybe.
Okay.
You excited?
Yeah?
How excited?
Excited?
Are you going to unbuckle yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna yell.
You want to go see all the cars?
Yeah?
How many are there?
I don't know.
Count them. Let's see. Count.
I don't want to.
All right.
Let's get out.
All right, let's get out. Ooh, careful.
Okay.
Wait.